Okay, let's look at homework 2.4, number 5. So here is the function x cubed minus 3x plus 3. So that's our f of x. Right, then 21 is the limit value, so that's our L. And of course 3 is our A. Right. Let's sketch the picture using GeoGebra. So let's go to GeoGebra. Right. Then we want to sketch the graph of y equals x cubed. Oops, I forgot what the function is. X cubed minus 3x plus 3. Right. So go back. Minus 3x plus 3. Right. Plus 3. Right. Hit enter. Right, you can see that. And we're looking at the limit 21, so we actually have to go up a bit. So let's see. We want to see 21, 21, 21. Yeah, somewhere on there. And move the picture a bit. Right, and so y equals 21. So that's our limit value. And x is approaching 3. So right there. Right, then epsilon value for the first one is 0.2. So let's do that. So we're gonna have to go up 0.2. So 21.2. Oh, so that's the y value. Right, so that's here. Right, then you have 20. So you have to go down 0.2. So 20.8 is the lower bound. Right, we have that. Then we probably need to stretch it out a bit so that we can see it. We'll bring it down and then stretch it out. Bring it out and stretch it out. Bring it out and stretch it out. Right, so you can see a little bit. All right, and also we need to stretch this out too. Alright, hopefully this is good enough. Alright, then actually we need to stretch it out even more. Oh, maybe we should do this. Alright, I'm gonna do zoom out. So zoom out. Oh, actually, the other way. Zoom in. 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 Alright, I don't know why it sometimes doesn't do zoom in, but I think this is good enough. Alright, so we know we need to find those points, so find the intersection and right here. Right, the other one right there. Alright, then we want to actually we need rounding to 4 decimal point places. Right, so we have that. Alright, so you can see that it says 3.0083, and this is 2.9916. They're very close. So let's find the value. So it's 3 minus 2.9916. So that gives you that value, and right there, and also 3.0083 minus 3, and this one's easy, but you have that, so that's 84. So you can see that 3.83, so 3.8, so this point is going to be a little bit closer to 3. So we're going to take this value to be the delta. So let's see, delta is 0.0084. Right, so delta is 0.0084. Alright, then what we're going to do is we're going to try do the same thing with 0.1. Right, so we're going to have to put say y equals 21.1. Right, that's the upper one, and then we have to look at the 20.9, so that's the bottom one. So here is y. All right. Then we have to look at the intersection. Intersection is right there, and intersection is right there. All right. So you have 3.0042, so it's going to be 0.0042, or 3 minus 2.9958. Right, so this is going to give you actually it's exactly the same value. All right, so 0.0042 would be the value for epsilon equals 0.1. Right, so it's going to be 0.0042. Right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.